Hi, Luciana. Very nicely done. So what I like is that you've used transitions, so like furthermore and to sum up. So there's some unity in your writing. I also liked your use of complex sentences because I work with the public. Sometimes everything goes well, but suddenly a problem can occur. No ed because it's after a modal verb, such as a client being rude. So good sentence variety. Main ideas and supporting details are there. There's some grammar mistakes, but not so many that impede the communication. So it's also quite professional sounding. So the tone is professional. Um, and I like your introductory paragraph to set the tone for the rest of the writing. So very well done. Excellent work. And I will have a record sheet that I will hand out to you for your binder. Thanks.